Alright, this episode of Scrapyard Choppers is going to be a little different than any of the past ones. Here with my buddy Larry. We tuned this car up for him. We're going to be working on it all night. I'm going to film him racing. It's going to be a good time. My car is still broke after the transmission. If you haven't seen that episode, go 2 episodes back. If you haven't seen the last episode of getting the race car out of the woods, it's been there for 20 years. Definitely missing something. So stick around, this episode is going to be fantastic. He'll roll over and catch fire, hopefully win a race. Something cool will happen. Hopefully. Yeah, stick around. So we interrupt this regularly scheduled program to bring you some exciting news. We got t-shirts. You want them, we got them. You got 6 different colors to choose from. What I want you to do is go to the link in the description below, which will be my email. Email me your address, which color shirt you want, what sizes, and then PayPal me some money, and I'll be sending you some shirts at the end of the month when they get printed. Yeah, check them out. These are badass shirts. My buddy drew them up. If you like the logo that's at the end of my videos, you're going to love these t-shirts. Now back to your regularly scheduled program. So alright, we're going to do a little walk around of this car. We got some work going on in the background. Just ignore that. But tell me what this glorious piece of equipment right here is.
It's a cheap 305.
Oh, come on.
A little 383, a little bit of head work. Decent can. Got a carb that Ronnie built.
It's got world product heads, doesn't it?
Yep.
Yeah, we
milled and match ported.
What size cam?
It's like a 600 lift. I think it's around 600 lift.
So it's probably like 500 horse.
Something like that.
I'd say about 500 horse. It's 10 to 1. It's nothing too radical. Got a nice badass radiator in it. What'd this car start off as?
Started out as a minor car. Lots of welding, lots of plating.
Yeah, you bought this car, right?
Yeah.
You bought it because it's so different than everything else.
Figured I needed another big car, so why not?
But take me inside. Show me what it is.
It's got a wired up mess in here. Some gauges, tag, MSD. Got our little shifter.
That's a low car shifter, right?
Yeah, messed up gas pedal.
Why is it messed up?
I don't know, I just don't like the double foot thing.
Oh, that's so if the throttle sticks, you can pull it out.
Yeah, that's what they say.
Got a nice racing seat. How do you like racing with that?
It's alright. Had better.
Do the edges,
Yeah, it's a little bit tight.
do they catch you though when you get hit?
No, not really.
And then we got a badass trans cooler.
Nice little fan on it, some braided lines.
What are you running for trans?
This is a 350 turbo. Has a little bit of work done to it.
Nice. What brake setups on this?
I think it's a Willwood, or whatever those are called. Just a cheap little setup.
Nice. And then let's talk about this fuel cell because it's nuts. This is filler. You aren't missing that at the gas station.
Got a little gas cap here. Only weighs about 10 pounds.
Yeah, the fuel cell is underneath there. What do you think it is? Like a 10 gallon?
It's like a 10 gallon made out of like half-inch steel.
Yeah. This car's something else. There ain't nothing else in the pits like this, that's for sure. Yeah, we just got the motor tuned up. Check this out too. If you've never seen this car, he's got double sidewalls so they can't be popped. And then big studs, 1-inch lug nut. Got that thing pulling in.
Got a little D-ring on the back, hook the chain. Don't mind my messy weld.
we won't zoom in on that. We'll stand back. He was tired that day when he welded that. Half asleep.
Yep.
But check this out. I've never seen this on a figure 8 car before. Oh, come down. Look at the dual shock setup. Like a damn old school monster truck.
Don't mind the bent axle.
He's got
Some loose axle shafts.
rear sway bar. Yeah, this car's been around a long time. It's one of the more unique looking cars, and it's about to have more motor than it's ever had in its life. We put the carburetor together, me and my buddy, and yeah, this is going to be a good night. Here we go, heat one, big cars, 20 laps. Winner goes to the feature.
Which one? Center switch? I already got it. You're good. I already got it. Yeah, they rinsed. I got it with the extinguisher. Still got it.
All right, that was one hell of a show. I was not expecting him to actually roll over and catch fire. That was a joke. It literally happened. Tell me, what did that feel like?
That was rough. I don't know. Hard to explain. Pretty fun, actually.
Was it hard to get out of your seat when you were upside down?
Once I found the buckle, now.
Do your sides a little sore from that seat?
No, my sides are fine. Cut my arm a little bit.
Oh, that's good. Well, I'm glad you're okay. That's it for this week's episode. I hope you enjoyed it. That's Larry. I'm riding Danger. That thing was on fire, but it's all right. It'll be back another race.
Running good till it caught fire.
Yeah, he was pulling a wheel off the ground. That was awesome. I'll see you next time on Scrapyard Choppers.